previous class we are discussing about different types of functions, namely one function, onto function, bijective function, invertible function or inverse function, then composite function. Based on those types, to solve some more problems. Now here problem number 13, 5-mark question, expected question. They will ask in final exam, that is 5 mark in your question paper. Part D, question number 39, that is 5-mark question. So here the question, let y is equal to flower bracket n square such that n belongs to natural number, that is y is the natural number. Consider f is a function from natural number to y is equal to, where y value, n square such that n belongs to capital N, defined by f of n is equal to n square. Using this condition, show that f is invertible function. Also find its inverse function. Find the value of f inverse. So you know the definition of invertible. Invertible means which is both one and onto. Now here we should prove that the given function is one as well as onto function. Now here given data, f of n is equal to n square, that is given for all n belongs to natural number. Now first part to prove that it is 1. Now definition of 1, say f of n1 is equal to f of n2 instead of x1. Here by taking n1 because the function defined by f of n. That's why by taking f of n1 is equal to f of n2 to prove that n1 is equal to n2. This implies f of n value n square. What is f of n1? That is n1 square is equal to f of n2 square. Taking the square root on both sides, n1 is equal to n2. Where n1 and n2 are natural numbers. So n1 is equal to n2. So f of n1 is equal to f of n2 implies n1 is equal to n2. Therefore the function f is 1 function. Okay. Now to prove that onto function, definition of onto, codomain is equal to range. Mathematically to prove that f of x is equal to y. Here f of n is equal to y. Instead of x, here given n. To prove that f of n is equal to y, let y is equal to f of n. F of n value is n square. Therefore n is equal to root y. That is belongs to natural number. Root y. Y that is root y is equal to n. N is what? N is set of natural number. Root y is equal to n, but n is set of natural number. Therefore, f of n is equal to n square, but the value of n is here root y to the power of 2. But root y to the power of 2 is y. Therefore, f of n is equal to y. That is codomain is equal to range. Therefore, f is onto function. Therefore, f is 1 and onto, hence f is invertible function. F is invertible function. First part is over. Second part also find its inverse. Now write directly. Now you know that f of n is equal to y. Already verified. Using this, n is equal to what? Inverse image of y. Right? Therefore, inverse image of y is equal to n, but the value of n is root y. So f inverse image of y is equal to root y, whereas inverse image of n is equal to root n. Inverse image of x is equal to root x. That is 5-mark question. Very simple problem. Clear, students? Next problem. Problem number 14. Again 5-mark question. That question was asked in 2017. Now here the question. Let f is a function from natural number to real number be a function defined as f of x is equal to quadratic function 4x square plus 12x plus 5. Show that f is a function from n to s, where s is the range of the function. Show that f is invertible function. Also find its inverse of f. Means to find f inverse. Again, the given function is invertible. As you know the definition of invertible, which is both 1 1 and on 2. Now we should prove that the given function is 1 1 as well as on 2. Now look here, given data. F of x is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 1. Okay. Now first to reduce the given function. To convert given function, given quadratic function in terms of perfect square. How to make it as perfect square? Look here, 4x square plus 12x. 4 can be written as 2 square. 4 is same as we can write 2 square. Okay. Now 4x square is same as we can write 2x whole power 2. So we take 2x plus, you don't know the particular value, you call it as a b whole power 2. 4x square is nothing but 2x whole power 2, that is 4x square, plus another number you call it as a b whole power 2. What is the value of b? Expand it. In the expand we have a plus b whole power 2, a square, that is 4x square, plus 2ab, 2 into 2x, 4x into b, plus b square. Right? This is an expand we have 4x square plus 4x into b plus b square. Comparing this with that, you will get element 4x square, okay. 4xb is equal to 12x. 4xb is equal to 12x. Right? What is the value of b? Divide both sides by x cancel. 4b is equal to 12. b is equal to 12 by 4. How much? 3. So that b value is 3. Right? Plus b square. b value is 3. b square. 3 square is 9, but here 5. Now here 3 square is 9. Now we need only 5. So we can subtract 4. Is it balanced? Check it. Now 4x square plus 12x plus 5 is nothing but 2x plus 3 whole power 2 minus 4. This is an exponent. 4x square plus 2ab. 2 2s are 4. X into 3 12x plus b square 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 become plus 5. Here, so first to convert quadratic function into perfect square. How to make it as perfect? 4x square is nothing but 2x whole power 2 plus second term call it as a b whole power 2. Expand it. 4x square plus 2ab 4xb plus b square. Comparing this with that, 4x square, okay. 4xb value 12x. 4xb is equal to 12x after x cancel. 4b is equal to 12. b is equal to 12 by 4. That is 3. We got b value. b value is 3. Then 2x plus 3 whole power 2. 3 square, b square, b value 3. 3 square 9. But here 5. Here 9. So that make it as 5. So how to write? 9. This is 3 square is 9. Subtract 4. 9 minus 4 become 5. This is f of x. Right? Now to prove that it is 1 1 as well as on. Let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. To prove that x1 is equal to x, f of x1 value 2x1 plus 3 whole power 2 minus 4 is equal to 2x2 plus 3 whole power 2 minus 4. Right? Simplify. 2x1 plus 3 whole power 2 is equal to 2x2 plus 3 whole power 2 minus 4. That minus 4 goes to right side plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel implies 2x1 plus 3 whole power 2 is equal to 2x2 plus 3 whole power 2. Okay, taking the square root of both sides. Therefore, 2x1 plus 3 is equal to 2x2 plus 3. Right? Then further simplify 2x1 plus 3. Okay, take equal on right side. Minus 2x2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now here plus 3 minus 3 cancel. So that 2x1 minus 2x2 is equal to 0. Or we can write 2x1 is equal to 2x2 Okay, now divide both sides by 2, hence x1 is equal to x2. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, the function f is 1, 1 function. Here, then next to prove that onto function. Definition of onto. Codomain is equal to range. Mathematically to prove that f of x equal to 1. Let y is equal to f of x. But the value of f of x is 2x plus 3 to the power of 2 minus 4. Now to prove that f of x equal to 1. Using this is the result to find the value of x, so that 2x plus 3 whole power 2. This is equal to 1 minus 4 goes to right left side plus 4. Right? Taking the root on both sides. 2x plus 3 is equal to square root of y plus 4. Okay. Therefore, 2x is equal to square root of y plus 4 plus 3 goes to right side minus 3. Okay. Or x is equal to root y plus 4 minus 3 divided by 2 belongs to real number. Okay, n to r, x value is n to r. Okay, then to prove that f of x equal to 1, therefore f of x is equal to, what is f of x value? 2x plus 3 whole power 2. What is x value? Root y plus 4 minus 3 divided by 2. This is 2, this is x. Okay, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 whole power 2 minus 4. 2x, 2, x value is, that value is x, plus 3 whole power 2 minus 4. Simplify, 2 cancel, root y plus 4 minus 3 plus 3 whole power 2 minus 4. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel, root of y plus 3 whole power 2 minus 4. Square root of y plus 4 whole power 2 is root cancel, y plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 cancel, that is 1. Therefore, f of x is equal to 1. Codomain is equal to range. Therefore, f is onto function. Therefore, f is 1, 1 and onto. Hence, f is invertible. F is invertible function. Here, students, noting in one go, make it as perfect square mark easier. Perfect square mark solve. Also find its inverse. So find inverse. Now, you know that image of x is equal to 1. Already put using this. What is the value of x? Inverse image of 1. Therefore, inverse image of y is equal to what? X. But the value of x is, what is x value? Root y plus 4 minus 3 divided by. Therefore, what is inverse image of x? Replace y by x. Root of x plus 4 minus 3 divided by. This is inverse image of y. That is inverse image of x. That is 5 mark question. Here, students. Next problem. Problem number 15. Again, very important problem. 5 mark. Consider the function f from r plus 2 semi-closed interval minus 5 comma infinity. Semi-closed, one side closed, another one is open. That is known as semi-closed interval. Minus 5 comma infinity, it means including minus 5, more than minus 5. Then f of x is defined by f of x equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Now the question, show that f is invertible function. Also find its inverse. Inverse image of y is equal to root of 5 plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Similar to previous problem. Same type. Again it is invertible, so that we should prove that it is 1, 1 as well as onto. given data f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Now it is quadratic function. Make it as perfect root, perfect square. How to convert it? Look here. 9x square is same as, we can write 9x square is nothing but 3x whole power 2. So here 3x plus another number we don't know, we call it as a b whole power 2. Expand that one. In here expand one more here. 3x plus b whole power 2. A plus b whole square. A square 9x square plus 2ab. 2 into 3x 6x into b plus b square. Right? The next one will come. Now comparing this with that. It is equal to 9x square, 9x square, okay. 6xb here 6x. Equating 6xb is equal to 6x. Right? Now divide by 6x, x cancel, 6b is equal to 6. b is equal to 6 by 6. How much? 1. We got b value. What is b value is? 1. So b value is 1. 1 square is 1. So b value 1. Okay, but here minus 5. Here b value is 1. Now make it as minus 5. We can subtract minus 6. Plus 1 minus 6. It will become minus 5. How would you know? Here next one what you have to say? 9x square plus 2ab 6x plus b square 1 minus 6. That is 9x square plus 6x. 1 minus 6 minus 5. So that 9x square plus 6x minus 5 is same as, make it as perfect root square. We can write 3x plus 1 whole power 2 subtract 6. This is the formula. Now to prove that it is 1 1 and let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. To prove that x1 is equal to x2, this implies f of x1 3x plus 1 whole power 2. Replace x by x1. 3x1 plus 1 whole power 2 minus 6 is equal to 3x2 plus 1 whole power 2 minus 6. Simplify. This implies 3x1 plus 1 whole power 2 is equal to 3x2 plus 1 whole power 2 minus 6. That minus 6 goes to right side plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel implies 3x1 plus 1 whole power 2 is equal to 3x2 plus 1 whole power 2. Right? Taking the square root on both sides, 3x1 plus 1 is equal to 3x2 plus 1. Okay. Now further simplify. 3x1 plus 1. Take equal on right side. Minus 3x2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Implies 3x1 minus 3x2 is equal to 0, or 3x1 is equal to 3x2 divided by 3, x1 is equal to x2. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore the function f is 1 1 function. Here, now to prove that it is onto codomain is equal to range. Mathematically to prove that f of x equal to what? Let y is equal to f of x. What is f of x value? 3x plus 1 whole power 2 minus 6. Using this to find the value of x. Therefore, 3x plus 1 whole power 2 is equal to y. That minus 6 transfer it. Minus 6 goes to left side. Plus 6. Okay. Now taking the square root on both sides, 3x plus 1 whole power 2 is equal to y plus 6. Therefore, 3x plus 1 is equal to square root of y plus 6. Or 3x is equal to root y plus 6. That one goes to right side. Minus 1. Divide by 3. X is equal to root y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3 belongs to R plus set of custodial numbers. Right? Therefore, no, immediately semi goes into minus 5 comma infinity, including minus 5, more than minus 5. Don't take less than minus 5. If you take less than minus 5, what happened? Less than minus 5 ne yaar barutte. More than minus 5 togಬೇಕು. Less than minus 5. Minus 4, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. If you take minus 6, minus 6 plus 6, 0. 0 minus 1, minus 1. If you take that is minus 1 by 3. Negative number but belongs to only positive real number, not negative real number. That's why the condition semi-closed interval. Okay, we got x value. Now to prove that image of x is equal to 1. Codomain is equal to range. Therefore, f of x is equal to, what is f of x value? 3x plus 1. 3x. But the value of x is root of 5 plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 whole power 2 minus 6. Simplify. 3 cancel. That is root of minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Root 5 plus 6 whole power 2 minus 6. Square root of 5 plus 6 whole power 2 is 5 plus 6 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel. That is 1. Therefore, f of x is equal to 1. Codomain is equal to range. Hence, f is onto function. Therefore, f is 1 1 and onto. Confusion बढ़ेगा. That is equal onto k. Therefore, f is 1 1 and onto. Hence, f is invertible function. Compulsory बोलेंगे कि नहीं. Confusion must. Also find its inverse. Now, you know that image of x is equal to 1 already defined. Using this, x is equal to inverse image of 1. Therefore, inverse image of 1 is equal to x. But the value of x is x value root 1 plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. This is so that f is invertible with inverse image of 1 is equal to root 5 plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. That is also most important problem. Here some quadratic function is we have to practice. Okay. Next problem. Problem number 16. Again, 5 question. Consider the function f from n to y is given by f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. Where y is equal to, y belongs to capital Y such that y is equal to 4x plus 3, where x is set of natural number. Using this relation, show that f is invertible function. Also find its inverse. Very simple question. Now given data, again it is invertible, so that to prove that two conditions are satisfied, namely 1 1 as well as and given f of x equal to 4x plus 3. It is linear function. Now to prove that 1 1, take f of x1 is equal to f of x2 to prove that x1 is equal to x2. This implies f of x value 4x plus 3. Replace x by x1 so that 4x1 plus 3 is equal to 4x2 plus 3. Right? Now simplify 4x1 plus 3 minus 4x2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. So that 4x1 minus 4x2 is equal to 0. Or 4x1 is equal to 4x2. Divide both sides by 4. Therefore, x1 is equal to x2. Hence, f is 1 1 function. Okay? Now to prove on definition of onto, codomain is equal to range. Or another way to prove that f of x equal to 1. Let y is equal to f of x. What is f of x value? 4x plus 3. Using this to find x is equal to 4x plus 3 is equal to y. 4x is equal to y minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to y minus 3 divided by 4. Y minus 3 divided by 4. Okay, belongs to natural number. X belongs to natural number. Now to prove that f of x equal to 1. Therefore, f of x is equal to, what is f of x value? 4x plus 3. Put x value 4x. What is x value? Y minus 3 divided by 4. plus 4, 4 cancel, that is y minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 cancel, that is 1. Therefore, f of x is equal to 1. Codomain is equal to range. Hence, f is onto function. Therefore, f is 1 1 function. F is 1 1 and onto, that is y hence conclusion, its inverse. F is invertible function. First part is over. Second part, also find its inverse. Now you know that image of x is equal to 1. Already verified. Using this, x is equal to 1. Inverse image of 1. Right? Therefore, inverse image of y is equal to x. But the value of x is y minus 3 divided by 4. Similarly, what is inverse image of x? Just to replace y by x. Y direct substitute quantity, that is x minus 3 divided by 4. These are the inverse image of y and x. 5 more question. Clear, friends? Okay. Next problem. Problem number 17. Show that the function f from closed interval -1 1 to real number r given by image of x, f of x is equal to x divided by x plus 2 is 1 1 function. Show that the given function is 1 1. Also find its inverse. Definition of 1 1 function. Take f of x1 is equal to f of x2. To prove that x1 is equal to x2, replace x by x1, that is x1 divided by x1 plus 2. Replace x by x2, x2 divided by x2 plus 2. Right? Simplify. Cross multiply. x1 x2 plus 2x1 is equal to again x1 x2 plus 2x. Cross multiply. Okay. Then further simplify. x1 x2 plus 2x1, take equal on right side, minus x1 x2 minus 2x2 is equal to 0. Plus x1 x2 minus x1 x2 cancel. This implies 2x1 minus 2x2 is equal to 0, or 2x1 is equal to 2x2. Divide by 2, x1 is equal to x. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1 function. Next step, also find its inverse image of x. Now how to solve? Now we have to find inverse image of x. We don't know like inverse image of x called as a y. What is that? You take a y. Or if you take a p. Other value is equal to p and y, yes, and so on. This implies, by definition of inverse function, image of y is equal to x, right? X is equal to image of y, f of y is equal to x. This implies, since f of x is equal to x divided by x plus 2, that is given. Instead of x, here the term 1, x plus y. What is f of y? Y divided by y plus 2 is equal to x. Now to find inverse image of x, the value is to find out what it is done. We don't know. We call it as a y. Now to find the value of y value find out what will become inverse image of x. This implies cross multiply y is equal to xy plus 2x. Right? Implies y, take that term on left side, minus xy is equal to 2x. Among those two, what is common? Y common. Y into bracket 1 minus x is equal to 2x. Therefore, y is equal to 2x divided by 1 minus x, 2x divided by 1 minus x. Hence, the value of y is inverse image of x value 2x divided by 1 minus x. This is inverse image of x. Okay. Now show that it is 1 1. Also find its inverse. Inverse solve for the way to go. let inverse image of x. We don't know that value, we call it as a y. Now to find the value of y. This implies by definition of invertible function, inverse function, image of y is equal to x. Since f of x is equal to x divided by x plus 2, that is given. Instead of x, here the term y, so that f of y is equal to y divided by y plus 2 is equal to x. Simplify, cross multiply, y is equal to x into y plus 2x, or y, take x1 on left side, minus x1 is equal to 2x. The among those two, common value is 1, y into bracket 1 minus x equal to 2x, divide by 1 minus x, y is equal to 2x divided by 1 minus x. But the value of y, by taking inverse image of x equal to 2x divided by 1 minus x. Here students, so problem number 11 onwards, 11 to 17, those problems, that is most important problems, problem number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. These 7 problems are most important among those problems. They will ask any one problem in final exam, that is 5 mark, 100% guarantee question. In your question paper, part D, question number 39 belongs to invertible question, invertible problem. Clear students? So remaining problems we will discuss about. So some more problems based on bijective function, based on composite function, based on invertible function. To solve some more problems in next class. Okay students? Thank you.